Not going trying to whip my head as hard as I can because somebody was coming for me in my last comments, but I'm showing you guys. It really looked like a full head of braids. Nice. And look at the braids. They look really good. Have a nice little luster to them. This hat looks really good. I promise you. Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. Or you can always rock a scarf. You choose how you feeling. Y'all, I'm back with another headband and hat wig. And this time I came with the goods. I got a couple options here. Baby, that Brian McKnight song is stuck in my head. Alright, y'all, so we're going to start off with the headband wig. This is 20 inches boho box braids. And you see it has like a Velcro strap here. And it's literally a headband with the braids attached. Boho braids, that is, you see. It's a braid with the curly pieces coming out of it. And it ends with curly hair. And there's nothing to it but to do it. Watch me. Bring it around town. Push it up. And then we're going to put it here. And bring this around here. That's the first step. To put it on. And you see, I don't even have braids this time. I have my hair in a ponytail. And everything is just fine. Of course, with this headband wig, you have to put something on top to disguise it. I got these from Temu. Yeah, we're going to do this one. I think the brown one was like $1 and some change. And the pink one was like $2. See how everything looks. You see here, the back is covered. None of my hair is exposed. And I love how the braids come down over my sideburn. So you can't see like that little side tab that be trying to pop out when you do stuff like this. So let's put on a little scully first. Ooh, she cute. Nice. And look at the braids. They look really good. Have a nice little luster to them. What do you think? What do you think? Yes. Go get this wig from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. And go get this hat from Temu. Yep. It really looked like a full head of braids. This hat looked really good. I promise you. Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. Push everything to the back. Yeah, I'm gangsta with it. And I know I'm a little late to the trend with these hats because they came out 3 years, I don't know how long ago, but honey, these hats are so cutesy. The pink look good as well though. I mean, is there even a need for me to try on a scarf? I'm gonna try on a scarf just for you guys, but snatch that bad boy out. I need to wash my hair. I didn't even wash my hair. I just pushed it back in the ponytail, baby. I took out these mini twists I had in. My little pre-poo conditioner. Oh, this is a little baby scarf. I thought this scarf was a little bigger than this. No wonder it was $1. I'm not gonna complain anymore because it was only $1. Okay. Or you can always rock a scarf. You choose how you feeling. I feel like the scarf is really cute if you like want to dress up your look. A silk scarf like this will be perfect. You know, can't go wrong with that. So yeah. So cute. I don't even want to take it off, but on to the next. Whew. Really nice quality braids, you guys. Really nice. Can't beat that. Alright, and next up we have the hat wig, but with the braids. Let's take you out. We don't need you in here. So same boho braids, but this time it's like actually sewn onto a baseball cap. Because you see here, you can adjust the tightness here, so you don't have to worry about it flying off your head. Now, if you're going to the airport and they say you need to take off your hat, that's a different story. Don't wear this to the airport if you're too embarrassed to take it off. So I don't. Simple. Perfect. It's very tight, it's very secure, not going. Try to whip my head as hard as I can because somebody was coming for me in my last comments, but I'm showing you guys. Y'all got me fighting for my life over here. It's not going anywhere, honey. Yeah. Click the link down below and go get yours. And it's on Amazon, so you will get it in a day or two. This is 20 inches as well. Y'all got your girl out of breath. Y'all know I gained a little weight. I'm out of breath. I am out of breath. But see, real simple, real cute black hat. Nice brim. Y'all know I'm not about to stop here. I gotta hook my hat up. Give it a little razzle dazzle. And again, you see it comes up past my sideburns. Because if you're anything like me, baby, you got a little naps right there. It's good to cover those on up. Make everything look realistic. What you use? And last time I put some iron-on patches on my hat, but this time I went to Hobby Lobby and I got these cute pins. They were half off, and like I said, they are pins, so they look like this in the back. So I'm pretty excited about these, so let's go ahead and put these on. So I'm just gonna put this in here and then secure it back through. So you can just put one. Okay, let me finish, but all right. Okay, I have them all on there. Okay, here we go. You know, we just spice it up a little bit. It doesn't take any time. I love these. I think I love these more than I like the chrome heart patches. If you see my other video on the hat wig, let me know which one you like best. Because I don't think I like these. Maybe because they got like little rhinestones in it. It's just so adorable. You could definitely go out with this hat. Okay, so y'all definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about these hats, these pins, these wigs. And make sure you click the link down below so you can go and get yours. I'll leave everything down below so you can shop like me. Alright, you guys. I love you and I'll see you next time. Bye.